My grandpa's ghost defense. Hook. My grandpa believes his sneeze scares off ghosts. Story. One night, the power goes out. We're all sitting in the dark. Grandpa says, "Don't worry. If a ghost shows up, I'll sneeze it away." Suddenly, there's a creepy noise outside the window. Grandpa tries to sneeze. Nothing. Just silence. I whisper, "Grandpa, it's here." He panics and sneezes so hard, the window glass shatters. Twist ending. It wasn't a ghost. It was our neighbor Auntie, picking mangoes from our tree. She hasn't come back since.